Today we're going to be learning about the structure of an atom. Atoms are what make up the universe and everything. And here is a diagram of an atom. As you can see in the center, there is a point. This point is called the nucleus. It is the center of the atom and can be divided into subatomic particles called protons and neutrons. Outside of the nucleus, you can see that there are rings. These rings are called shells or electron orbitals, and they increase in energy level the further you go out. We'll be expanding on this in a future video. There are particles called electrons which orbit in these electron orbitals. We are going to see the properties of these subatomic particles. Protons are particles with a positive charge and a mass of 1. Neutrons are particles with a neutral charge, which means they do not have a charge and also have a mass of 1. The electrons, which orbit around the nucleus, have a negative charge and a negligible mass. This means their mass is too small and can be counted as 0. Charge can be defined by the properties of the quarks that make up these particles. We will be expanding on quarks in a later video. Mass is the weight of these particles. We are now going to apply what we just learnt to the periodic table. Here is a link to my video on the periodic table. Now we are going to apply what we learnt to understand how many protons, neutrons and electrons there are in an element's atom by looking at the periodic table. For example, we can take lithium. As you can see on the bottom, there is a number. This number is the atomic number. It shows us how many protons there are in this element's atom. There is a number on the top, and this number is the atomic mass. This shows us the amount of protons and neutrons added together. So now, we're going to find out how many protons, neutrons and electrons are in a lithium atom. So, we've already found out how many protons there are in this atom, and that is 3, because it is the atomic number. And we know how many neutrons there are by subtracting the atomic number from the atomic mass. So, the amount of neutrons in lithium would be 4. Now remember, the amount of protons in an atom is the same as the amount of electrons in an atom to keep it neutral. This rule is avoided in a species of atom called ions. We will be expanding on ions in a future video. So, now we can summarize lithium to having 4 neutrons, 3 protons and 3 electrons. Here's a picture of a lithium atom summarizing this for you. To summarize what we've learnt today, here's a glossary of keywords. And here's a table of the properties of the subatomic particles. Here's a picture of an atom. That's it for this video. Please do like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.